Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on how to improve your lock-on system, specifically how to improve the lock-on system I made a tutorial for earlier. Now, if you don't care about this introduction, you can just skip ahead to video number 1 because this tutorial will be broken down into 3 videos. This introduction, the first video which covers a few new features, and the third video which covers the most substantial updates to the system. Few apologies. I still have a squeaky chair. I have a dog, which you will sometimes be able to hear in the background. And also, I noticed very late in the process that the audio in the video sometimes gives out. Now, the most important information is still on screen, so you will be able to follow if you just pay attention. No offense, but it will have some annoying audio drops. Now, let's look at what we're going to make. So, as you can already see, the camera is behaving differently than what it does as default. And that's a change that we're going to make just to have a, in my opinion, better camera. First of all, your character isn't in the center, which gives a better view, in my opinion. It offsets when you're looking down, looking up, or looking to the sides. If you now lock onto an enemy, and well, if you lock onto an enemy, the cone is gone because that's ugly. So instead we have a highlight for the locked on enemy. If you break line of sight for duration, it locks off. If you run out of range, it locks off. And if your enemy dies, it locks off, although I can't demonstrate that right now. We also have a new a swapping system. So if you lock onto an enemy, you can swap around to different enemies in both left and right, and further and closer. And as you may have noticed, you can lock onto the enemy that's at the center of the screen, or closest to the center of the screen, rather than the full-on closest enemy. So, like I said, it's going to be broken into 2 videos. So the first video is going to cover the lock off on kill, the break line of sight, the lock off on distance, the different types of enemies, and the highlight enemies that are locked on. The second video is going to cover the target swapping, the camera mod, and the targeting enemies who are near the center of the screen. Both videos are also going to contain timestamps for the different steps, or at least the different main steps. So without further ado, let's head into it.